Mr. Speaker, the cardinal responsibility of this House is to legislate, Mr. Speaker, in Article 95. And Mr. Speaker, we must stop anything that can impede legislation in this House, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the members here have amendments to the finance bill, but they have been told that under Article 114, there must be consultation with the Treasury. But Mr. Speaker, the consultation with the Treasury is supposed to happen between the committee and the Treasury, and not necessarily with the members. And this impedes now members from doing their legislation work, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I remember in 2018, in this House, and it's on record, it is in the hands of Mr. Speaker, I brought an amendment to the finance bill, and which was a money bill, and we were amending a clause that was putting, VAT, 16% VAT on fuel, the same thing we are doing today. And Mr. Speaker, at the beginning I was told that this is supposed to be under 114. But the Speaker then was seated on the same chair, you are seated today, made a ruling in the afternoon here, and said that let the matter be decided by the members themselves in a voting. And in the end, we agreed that let us come up from 0, we go to 8, and the executive comes from 16, they come to 8, and that's why today we have 8% of VAT on the fuel, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, there was no memorandum, there was nothing. We agreed here, and the Speaker ruled that he's exempting that amendment from what Article 114. Why? Because even the Constitution, that 114 says, in the opinion of the Speaker has an opinion. The Speaker has a serious opinion, because he's the one who runs the House. He's the one who is in charge of legislation in this House, Mr. Speaker. He's the one who approves amendments. He's the one who looks at the constitutionality of matters that we bring to this House, Mr. Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, first, don't lose what the Constitution has given you, which says in the opinion of the Speaker. It did not say in the opinion of the Minister for Treasury. It did not say in the opinion of the Minister for the PS for Treasury. Mr. Speaker, in your opinion, if a matter, if an amendment is of national interest, of national importance, Mr. Speaker, in your opinion, I beseech you, you should allow, members will do a decision here in one way or the other, Mr. Speaker. The amendment will be voted on, and they will decide on one way